How to clear iPhone system data. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you clear the iPhone system data. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to just check for the app which you are not using for a longer period of time. So for that, you'll have to just find out the application on your iPhone. As you can see, I have this random application like Book and I am not using this application for a while, so you have to just delete or uninstall the entire application which you have been not using. So simply tap and hold that and tap on delete app, and from your tap on delete. Alright, after you clear or uninstall all of the application that you are not using, you'll be able to free up some space on your iPhone system data, and after you delete it, you'll have to again open the settings on your iPhone. Alright, from the settings section tap on general, and from the general section tap on iPhone storage, and from this iPhone storage section you can manually find the application that are consuming more space on your iPhone. So as you can see, here is the TikTok application that is consuming 3.83 GB, Facebook for 3.66, and as you can see for the WhatsApp 2.44 GB. And after you find some application that you have been using for a longer period of time, you'll have to just restart or reinstall that application from App Store. So for that, you'll have to just delete or uninstall that entire application and restart that application on your iPhone. And by doing that process, you'll be able to free up some space from your system data. And on the another method, you'll have to back from here and open the messages on your iPhone. And after you open messages, you'll have to just delete all of the unwanted messages from your iPhone. So for that, you'll have to swipe up or swipe down using your two finger from here, and after you select it, tap on the option delete just at the bottom right. Alright, tap on the option delete. Okay, after you delete the messages from message, you'll have to again tap on the option edit just at the top left. From your tap on show recently deleted, and from here you'll have to just delete the all of the deleted message from your recycle bin. So simply tap on the option delete all just at the bottom left. Alright, tap on delete. Okay, after you free up the space by clearing or deleting the unwanted messages from your iPhone, you'll be able to clear your iPhone system data, and for that you'll have to just also open the settings, and from the settings section you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option apps. Alright, after you come on the app section, find out the application message. Alright, after you find it, tap on messages. And after you come on the section of messages, you'll have to scroll down at the bottom, and from here, tap on the option keep messages. And from the keep message section, tap on the options like 1 year or 30 days, as I will recommend you to check the options like 30 days. And after you check for the 30 days, the older message more than 30 days will permanently deleted from your message, and from that way you can as usual free up your system data on your iPhone. And for the last method, you'll have to back from here, and from the settings section again, from the app section, you'll have to find out the application Safari. Alright, after you find Safari, tap on that, and from the Safari section you'll have to scroll down and tap on the options like clear history and website data. So simply tap on the option clear history and website data. Alright, tap on clear history. Okay, after you clear the history and website data, you'll have to again scroll down at the bottom and tap on the option advanced, and from your tap on again website data. Okay, so from here, make sure that you have removed all of the website data from here, and after you do all of the procedure on your iPhone, you'll be able to clear your iPhone system data. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.